Business owners, now if your plan is to put all your eggs in one basket because your business is going to fund your retirement, think again, because today we're going to cover in this video how you can use your business to protect it and to generate a lot more money without working for it. All right, so for business owners, it's generally, I realize that they put all their eggs in one basket. What do I mean by that? Well, they think that the business is going to fund their retirement. That's their retirement plan. And then when they retire, they can just sell the business, and just enjoy life. Now, unfortunately, there are many businesses that don't sell for what they hope for, and they might have 1 or 2 years they're not generating enough cash flow, which means the business can go under if it's not protected by other investments. Now, property has been at the forefront of many billionaires. What I mean by that? Well, there is no one single billionaire that doesn't have investment properties. If you look at the top 10 billionaires on the planet, they all have investment properties, no matter what the business topic they are. Could be IT, could be marketing, could be whatever, but they still use some of these funds to invest in property. Now, the good thing about this is that your business is generating a lot of cash. You might not getting all this cash because probably you're paying a lot of tax, or you have a lot of overheads, you have a lot of expenses, etc. Now, what you can do is to use part of this cash and redirect it, reinvest it into property, into assets that are going to pay for your liabilities. And that means as well that you're not going to work for it, because property investments doesn't require your presence. You can leverage, letting agencies. For example, we have a letting agent, Golden Tree Estates in Stirling, in Scotland, where we manage a lot of properties for our students, our landlords, and so on. And they don't have to worry about all the stuff, okay? They can just relax and focus on growing their businesses. Now, in this case, if you invest into property, use this cash from your business to invest in assets, the assets are going to work harder than you do. That's the plan, right? And on top of that, you don't have all your eggs in one basket, which means that you can retire without worrying, whether you have or not the money for the pension. But the good thing about that is as well that you're increasing the cash flow today, not in 20, 30, 40 years time, which means technically you could retire today. Now, if you like the idea of this, now I put together a masterclass which is about 90 minutes long, where I cover all these strategies, and I cover as well what works right now in the current market. It's a free masterclass where you can attend. I put the link to register below in the description or in the comment, and you can ask any questions you want. I'll be available there, I'll be live, and I hope to see you there soon. Now, my name is Dr. Giuseppe Paladini. I'm the founder of Stepping Bricks, and I look forward to helping you as well to create another source of income. Bye-bye for now.